Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Lambretta V125 is a scooter that combines classic Italian style with modern technology. It's built for riders who want comfort, elegance, and reliable performance in daily use. Engine and performance. This scooter comes with a 124.7 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke engine. With electronic fuel injection, it produces around 10 horsepower and 9 Nm of torque. The top speed reaches close to 100 km per hour, making it smooth and powerful enough for both city commuting and short highway trips. Dimensions and comfort. The seat height is 770 mm, designed for easy access for most riders. It runs on 12-inch wheels and has a wheelbase of about 1,330 mm for stability. The telescopic front fork and rear monoshock suspension provide comfort even on rough city roads. Braking and safety. The V125 is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels. To add more safety, it comes with a combined braking system, ensuring balanced and secure stopping power in all conditions. Fuel efficiency and range. With a 6.5-litre fuel tank, the scooter delivers an excellent riding range of around 240 km on a full tank. It consumes about 2.5 litres of fuel per 100 km and meets Euro 5 emission standards, making it fuel-efficient and eco-friendly. Design and features. The Lambretta V125 carries the iconic retro design that the brand is famous for. It adds modern touches like LED lighting and premium finishing, giving it a stylish look while keeping its classic soul alive. Conclusion. The 2025 Lambretta V125 is the perfect balance of style, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a scooter enthusiast, this model is designed to deliver timeless Italian charm with modern performance. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.